before, there's no way I could afford this. But it was my dream. I wanted this. Keyword, I was dreaming. Keep dreaming! Keep dreaming! I dreamed this. Man, I was sitting in my office crying with tears when I was broke, when I was just like you on the internet trying to figure out how to make money online, trying to find mentors, trying to find somebody to help me. No one wanted to help me out. I remember I couldn't even pay the food for my children. That's pain. But I didn't give up. I didn't stop, baby. You know why? Because I'm a lion. I'm telling you, you got to be a lion, baby, because this reality is real.